wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys? And welcome back to the show. And today we're hitting the road. We're hitting the road down south to Key Largo. My good friend DJ Daddy is gonna be rocking it at the Tiki bar, and he invited us, so we're gonna go with the show on the road, and you guys are coming along for the ride. And the usual got me sitting in the car waiting for who? Do you guys know who I'm waiting for?
Well, if you guys guessed Olguita, that means you're right, and also that means you guys been watching my channel and paying attention. And also you're gonna notice that we're missing the rest of the crew because the kids decided to stay home. And today we're taking out the Jeep like you noticed, but we left the doors and the roof on. Even though rides like this to the Keys, I'd love to take the doors off, but today I wasn't so sure because the rain was a 50-50% chance. Well, we all know that you can't get that far without gas because the ride today is pretty long down south. And what I like to do is to fill it up just in case, because sometimes the gas is a little higher at the Keys. So we're gonna jump on the Palmetto and work our way down. And by the way, I receive a lot of messages about my videos, about things that they like or people would like to see. But lately I received a few that are similar. The comments and messages are reference to people enjoy that my videos are like a little mini story or a mini movie. And talking about the story, well, I think the story came to a complete stop here at the stretch because the traffic got backed up. And according to the GPS, it said it was an extra 25-minute slowdown. So the hour drive is turning out to more like an hour and a half. And if you guys ever been down to the Keys and you get caught up in the jam, you hope it's not a bad accident because it could turn out into hour-long delay. But to our surprise, there wasn't an accident at all. It was just the cars slowing down, looking at the boaters enjoy themselves playing in the water by the shore right next to the road. And I guess this could be kind of interesting if it's your first time visiting the Florida Keys. The only problem is some drivers almost come to a complete halt, and that makes the traffic get backed up. So there you go, guys. If you're planning to visit the Keys, you're gonna run into this, so please don't slow down. Just take a look and keep going. And finally, we have reached our destination here, Key Largo. And this is mile marker 104, the Big Chill Tiki Bar. And even though the ride was longer than expected, but the day, it's beautiful. I guess there's no 50-50 chance of rain here. And by the way, this is a local event, so if you follow me on Instagram, I posted it on my stories, and you guys were welcome to come. So if you missed it for the next one, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram for local events.
Fresco Channel, baby. Estamos mojaditos, listos para ti, papi. What's up, brother? Mira, that's our chair right there. Mira, esa es la silla de nosotros right there.
I see lots of water, so let's take a look. It's our first time visiting here, and so far so good. The place looks great, but like you already know, everything is better with water.
You ready to have some fun in the sun?
Same way you came out, adelante partido, right across the street right there, you'll see it. I see you on YouTube, bro. My wife says you're the only YouTube channel my wife will follow with me. I say your kids. They didn't want to come. No?
Well, as you could tell, there's a happy crew here that works at the Big Chill. And also it was a great pleasure meeting Mike. But now it's time to get into real serious business. We have to check out the menu and see what we're gonna order.
All right, guys, so you already know we're at Big Chill here, Key Largo, and now this is the best part of the day for me, right? You know why? There it is. And look at her. You're dieting? What you eating?
Salad. I'm gonna take away it.
Salad. She's sunbathing and eating a salad. But look at that though. She's rocking that Sandbar Life though. You know what time it is. Oh, look at that. All right, so right here, it doesn't get any better than this. Check it out. Like, look at the view. It's awesome here. Love the pool. It's heated. Can't go wrong with that. And loving the place. And we're here early because the party starts at 7.
And you already know it's always a pleasure to meet the people that watch the channel. But now it's time to go back in the pool because it's the right temperature. Plus we get to hang out with some really cool fans. So far so good. What do you guys think about this place and the pool area and the view? Let me know in the comments. And they even got jet ski docks, so how convenient is that? And you can get here by land or water. And this gives me an idea. Maybe this is the right spot for a future summer party. What do you guys think? I think it's a great idea because the people that follow me that don't own boats, they can come here by car. But now the man that's gonna make it dance tonight, DJ Daddy from the Keys, is gonna start setting up to get the party started. And by the way, if this is your first time visiting my channel and watching this video, make sure to like it and subscribe, and definitely turn on all notifications so like that you're gonna get notified every time I put in a video. And now people start to come by land and water because the party starts at 7. Well, DJ Daddy's all set up and ready to go with the show. And while DJ Daddy was jamming the music, the people were enjoying the beautiful Florida Keys sunset. And now here comes the hard part for me, editing the music out of the videos. I know it's an ugly and tough job, but somebody has to do it, right? And look at this, guys, we have a special guest today on video. We have the Florida Keys 3-year winner salsa dancer. Nah, I'm just joking. Well, let's check out, see if it's really true that the Florida Keys sunsets are beautiful. So let me know what you guys think. Well, it's a little bit past 7 o'clock, so the music's playing and people are charging up at the bar, while others charge up their energy by getting some food. Well guys, this is the part that becomes very hard for me because it's editing the copyright music out of the videos. And sometimes I could get away because YouTube doesn't pick it up.
Fresco Channel, baby. Big Channel, Key Largo, summer party. Havana nights is the way we do it. Everybody, put your hands up in the air. Let's go.
Well guys, like you can see, everyone's having a great time here at the Big Chill, and I would like to thank DJ Daddy and the Big Chill for inviting us here. And also, it was a great pleasure meeting everyone that watches the channel, and I never knew there was so many fans here at the Florida Keys. Thank you so much everyone for the love and support, and this came out an awesome event because I love to see people have fun and enjoy life with their families and friends, because the happy memories are the best. And this turned out to be a special night because we had a special lady celebrating her birthday, and glad we're here to capture the moment. It was an awesome night, met so many great people from here from the Florida Keys, but these two, the night was even more special because he proposed.
I gave it to you, my boy. Walk through.
Well, as you can see, this is a great turnout here at the Big Chill at the Florida Keys. And you remember, to keep up with the local events, make sure you follow us on Instagram, Fresco Channel. And also, I would like to thank everyone that came out and party for DJ Daddy's Havana Nights at Key Largo Big Chill Tiki Bar. And if you missed this one, make sure to tune in for the next future one. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and see you guys next time out on the water or maybe on the land.